Two customer relationship giants. One showdown, Freshsales or Apptivo. On one side, Freshsales, known for its smart automation and intuitive design. On the other, Apptivo, an all-in-one powerhouse with a customizable toolkit. Let's skip the hype and dig into what really matters. We'll be awarding points across key categories, so you can see exactly which platform leads the pack. The final verdict might just surprise you. All right, quick roadmap. Here's what we'll compare. Price, features, integration, usability, and yeah, scalability. Let's check out how these two stack up before we crown a winner. Let's kick things off with price. Freshsales has this nice, simple pricing vibe. Honestly, I appreciate that. They even throw in a free plan, which is always welcome, right? But, if you want their cooler stuff, you've got to pay for the higher tiers. Now, Apptivo, free starter tier, super flexible paid plans, and honestly, it doesn't get much more affordable for small teams. Just a heads up, though, if you start adding a bunch of modules, the price can sneak up on you. Still, Apptivo takes this round, especially if you're all about budget. Let's get into features. Freshsales is, wow, it's kinda stacked. You get sales automation, built-in AI insights, strong telephony tools, and even lead scoring baked in. It's really aiming at sales teams, but if you need stuff for other departments, that's where it's a bit thin. On the flip side, Apptivo is basically like the all-you-can-eat buffet: ERP, project management, invoicing, timesheets, you name it. It's wildly customizable. But, and here's the kicker, if you're focusing on hardcore sales tools, it's just not as advanced as Freshsales. So, for features, Freshsales edges out Apptivo thanks to its focus and those AI goodies. Alright, so integrations. Freshsales connects to all kinds of platforms, and there's a pretty solid app marketplace. Though, kind of funny, some older integrations just disappeared. Now for Apptivo. Wide range. We're talking G Suite, Slack, QuickBooks, and like a million more. That said, every module you add makes setup more of a mini project, which who needs that headache? Honestly, both are super strong here, so it's a tie. Oh, and here's something cool I bet you didn't know. The first CRM? It was literally a Rolodex. Yeah, those spinning card things you see in old movies. Patented back in 1956. Wild, right? Now for usability. Freshsales honestly wins me over here. Super intuitive, super clean, like you can be up and running so fast. Their mobile app gets rave reviews, but it's not quite as customizable as Apptivo. Speaking of which, Apptivo gives you all these different dashboard views and modules, which sounds cool, but dang, that interface is a little old school. It can feel pretty overwhelming, especially at first. So if you want something super easy to jump into, Freshsales is your best friend. Last but not least, scalability. Freshsales, absolutely perfect for small to mid-sized teams. But yeah, if you're a massive corporate juggernaut, it doesn't really have those big league options. Apptivo, though? That modular thing means you can pretty much bolt on whatever you need as your business grows. CRM, project management, inventory, HR, it's all there. Just keep in mind, if you're a tiny startup, all those choices can feel pretty overwhelming. But for raw scalability, Apptivo definitely takes it. So, if you glanced at the scores we just covered, the battle's pretty close. Freshsales has its strengths for usability and killer features, while Apptivo takes over on price and scalability. Both hold up in integrations. The charts kind of paint the picture, don't they? Okay, here's my honest take. If you want a CRM that's smart, focused, and easy from day one, Freshsales is the move. But if you need your software to do, well, basically everything, CRM, projects, invoicing, inventory, the all-in-one deal from Apptivo makes a lot of sense. If this helped you figure things out, hit subscribe, turn on notifications, all that good stuff, so you don't miss the next review.